Check these out. These are pepperoni pizza kolaches. I'm going to show you how I made them. There are a couple that exploded. I got a bunch back there that opened up while they were baking, but that's totally fine. They're all going to go to the same place and they're all going to taste delicious. So.
All right, I'm using some Texas-sized dinner rolls that are frozen. You want to let them thaw for about 30 minutes. Then you want to spray your cellophane, cover it up, and let it rise for only about 30 minutes.
All right, so for these pepperoni kolaches, pepperoni pizza kolaches, you got pepperonis, so a little bit of Parmesan cheese. You can use mozzarella. I like this cheese, Chihuahua cheese. Some pizza sauce. They like to use a marinara sauce. And some Italian seasoning. And of course, that's what you would probably use, but I'm going to toss in some green chilies as well. So first thing we're going to do is, instead of putting the pepperonis in whole, we got to cut up some pepperonis. I got this big bag of pepperonis, so you can just kind of rough chop them. Just put your pepperoni in there. Hand type, I have the shredded, and I've got just about 2 tablespoons. Let's say a cup of shredded cheese. Let's put like a tablespoon in. I'm using a marinara. I like marinara for my pizza sauce. So we're going to go roughly, that looks like about a half a cup to me. Okay, probably, I don't know, about that much. And you just want to mix it up really well. Looks like it needs a little more cheese, so I'm going to throw another handful. We'll get this mixed up, and we'll go roll out the dinner rolls. All right, to roll these dinner rolls out, you want to flour, and then you want to just take them. I don't know, it's kind of crazy to use it. And you just want to roll these out. You want them to be still a little bit cool. You don't want them to rise all the way. You can roll them out. Roughly the size of a corn tortilla. Set that to the side and get all these done. You just want to get a nice spoonful of it. I'm going to try not to overstuff. What I'm going to do is pull up the sides and close it off. Okay, just like that. I'm going to pinch them up a little bit better. And then we're going to set these on my tray. Okay, one more time. Just add your filling, seal it up, pinch the ends, and there you go, pepperoni pizza kolache. Before going into that, I ended up using 2 trays because you do want to leave a little room between them, and a butter spray just real quick on top, help brown them up. All right, 375 for 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm not sure that'll fit. Oh yeah, 20 minutes. Oh boy, it's like a couple of them had a little explosions. That's all right. Set them over here. Well, they sure smell good, even though some of them don't look so good. And I'm gonna have some melted butter here. We're just gonna brush on top. All right, let's see what the insides of one of these looks like that didn't explode. They're still pretty warm. Pepperoni pizza kolaches. Ooh, those are hot. Look at that. I think these are going to be pretty tasty. All right, what do you think about that? Pepperoni pizza kolaches. Now kolaches, you know, it's a dinner roll. You could stuff them with just about anything you want. And I mean, there's places that sell kolaches, anything you think of. So we made the pepperoni pizza ones for game day. Super Bowl's coming up. Got to have those great handheld foods, appetizers. You can cut these in half and serve them like this. So let's give them a try. Those really taste good. Give these kolaches a try. Pepperoni pizza kolaches. Really easy to make. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.